We got a special weather report here for Birdsong. It's snowing in Maryland. It's pretty cold out here. And we're calling to give you an update that pretty sure it's going to be a white Christmas here because, well, we're probably getting close to 20 inches at this point, and it's fucking snowing pretty hard out here. And they're calling for it to be in the 30s the rest of the week, so I highly doubt that much of this is going to melt. So, just wanted to let you guys know to be prepared. This is what I'm going to call probably the storm of the century thus far. And it's snowing pretty good. So, we just wanted to give you a live weather update here from the great state of Hampstead, Maryland. And we'll talk to you soon.